so let's go this way. I'm not a great whistler. Dude! No, you can pick a tennis ball. Bird. My pants are falling again. The camera's so heavy. Ugh. Fix my pain. I gotta fart. So I'm gonna fart. Okay. Flush. Flush. Nope. Let's go this way. I missed it. Oh, I missed it terribly. I look so goofy. No, there ain't gonna be no pause in the video on me. I'm pausing halfway through. I'll pause when I have to leave. And I'll show you how beautiful it is when you come in and out. It's a little chilly. It's like sand thing is wet. I can feel it. Watch out for the bridges. Okay, my family's all the way back there. Backwards. Okay, yep. This way! I hit the S. Okay, that's not helping. I have on my arm. Oh, this way! This way! I'm not even joking. My back is hurting. It's killing me. It's really down on my back. My back. I don't know how good you guys can hear me. But you guys should be able to hear me kind of clearly. Unless the headphones are not working. It all depends. Y'all let me know what you guys think of these videos. Because I need to get out more. And if these videos are good, then I can be outside a little more than I am. That's gonna be probably part 2 and part 3. This is part 1. You guys know how to cut out the sound on things? Because if I just want to like record the end of when we're leaving this park. Oh. Where are they? Okay, hold on, we gotta wait. I'll pause it here. Okay. We gotta go this way. This way. I mean, if you guys were to read my mind, This would be so terrible because I recently watched a video of Legos. I'm trying to remember what the sound was like. Somebody was playing with something. I went to go touch something. Welcome to Home Deep. No! Where did it go? Oh, I just have that playing in my head. Just the sound. Oh, that was creepy. That person just walked from down there. Creepy. Oh, creepy. Kinda sus. Leaf. Leaf. Kind of loud. I guess there's a road up there. Yeah, we went straight and then we went that way. It's fine. Because it's only a short walk. 6 minutes. Oh, 6 minutes. We have pauses in the video. Y'all, I lost them. But we're gonna keep moving. So many holes in the ground. Glad I'm wearing my shoes that I wear every time I go somewhere. Even though I'm like 6'1". And my shoe size is probably like 13 or 14s. I'm just in these shoes. Well, I think I got these last year. No, you can't have that. That's my stick. I don't have my mask right now, so you guys can't really see my face. So I can get like fugly. Oh, somebody's dog poop there. Nasty! Ugh! I might have stepped in one. Oh, I don't know what that was. That was probably an acorn. I've seen those on the ground. Half chewed up stick. Look at that. I'm just walking through this giant cut line. I wonder how that happened. Like somebody had to chop down like a bunch of trees from like all the way back there to all the way up there, wherever that is. And I'm breathing heavy for a reason. Walks. I don't remember how long I've been at this park. Look at them. Oh, Lusha. Sit. Sit. Good job. So cool. Okay, come on, let's go. There's more, but I'm too lazy to show you. There's like one there. One there. The reason why I'm recording this on my tablet, again, I'm not going to record it on my camera that has terrible audio. Also, because my YouTube channel's mainly on here, that's how I started on here, that's how I make the edits and stuff. I think this is just a walk and talk for me. I hope you guys' day are good and stuff. I might put this into cap and cut. Edit a little bit. Oh, sorry, come on. I don't want you to get sick, but like I was saying, we're gonna put this cap and cut because I can. I'm not like all the other YouTubers that's like, oh, like and subscribe for this and that, blah, blah, blah. Flush eye. Sit. Flush eye. There's also that down there, but there's my family. All the way back there. Y'all park people that own particular rules of recording this video, I'll take it down. But if not, thank you for letting me record this video. I absolutely love this place. Oh, sorry. Oh, there's a witch patch there. Yeah. Honestly, I want to go down to the river. Flush it, flush it. Flush it. Stop. Wait, I gotta fix your